Hi, because of this lawnmower to electric car conversion thing that we're doing, we've gone absolutely bananas and crazy about cleaning, because most of this stuff is to do with cleaning. So we've done shot blasting, we've done miracle cleaner, we've done shakers, we've done tumblers, so a whole range of things we've done. And I may be pressing it a little bit, but it occurred to me that the one thing we hadn't done was clean it by hand. So what I've got here is a still dirty connecting rod. It's a steering connecting rod actually, and it's in a bit of a state because it's obviously full of mud and grease and oil, etc, etc, etc. And here I've got a stainless steel pan with our miracle cleaning solution and a Brillo pad. So I thought I'd give it a go, just doing it by hand to see what would happen as a comparison kind of thing, because at the end of the day, if you really don't need to go to all the trouble that we've been going to, well, hey, don't go to all the trouble we've been going to. There's plenty of times when you just want to do something by hand because you just don't want to go to all that trouble. So let's give it a go and see what happens. Okay, that's a bit embarrassing. That's actually cleaning really easily by hand. So I'm going to console myself that those machine building exercises I've been going through is because we've had so much to do. But it looks like we can clean this by hand. And I've cleaned that bit in real time so you can see how difficult it is. I'm going to clean the rest of it and then give you a close-up. That is about 3 minutes work, okay? So I gave it a going over. Now, the Brillo pad actually I didn't find work as well as these things, which are just the stainless steel scouring bunnies that you can buy, but that gave it a bit of a shine actually. Now when you've done this, if you're going to give it a paint job, you do the paint job pretty much straight away. Give it a wipe over, give it a paint job. If you're going to leave it bare, like I'm going to leave this bit of bare steel, then you need to spray a bit of WD-40 on it to get rid of the vinegar and the water, and then go over it with a light coating of a light mineral oil to give it a little bit of protection. And that is finished, and we'll go straight back on to the electric vehicle stroke lawnmower. Personally, I think it's lovely. Now this miracle cleaning solution, I have given the recipe out here and in lots and lots of places. Really recommend you give it a go. Now a lot of the things, like I say, has been we built big machines, but turns out you don't need anything much larger than a dishpan and one of these if you're going to be doing a few parts. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you because I hadn't actually done the hand one and I thought it was worth sharing. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much for watching.